Batisi TV. Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors. Halat ko ni Shillong. Ringkat baka net foodish. Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani. Hakir dobiyeng jongpi.
Ki Pulit jong ki East Khasi Hills District haringkat ka jinge trailang bat ka kinhon nya thok arshaka ya ka badatip kerteng kum ka The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association hakasniba ar ka arpuwe tere ubnai jileo arajar arpu ar kila Pynphriang ya ka Khubor shiki Paidbah nong shongshnong jong ka East Khasi Hills District ya ka jing pentron jong Drok amtang ya ka met ka phat bat ya ka jingmut jing perkhat jong ki nongdi Drok henrei ban persharu wat ya ka jing khai be an yo Drok hapo ka ni ka nong ba Long, but haki way di ki benta jong ka jilla Meghalaya. Ya kani ka jingyai rally de ki thok balaya sim benta de ki dekhot jong ka tulba kabala sedang na plau jong ka interstate bus terminus kabadan hamau yong rim lakawe lama da superintendent of police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Sylvester nong tenger haswaban pen sedang ya kani ka jingyai rally la penlong ya ka jingyalang ka balingkot ha kabala sakhilang da joint director ka social welfare uba ai talang superintendent of police traffic ka East Khasi Hills Shailendra Bamania additional Superintendent of Police Traffic ke East Khasi Hills uba Ian Onal Swear, Deputy Superintendent of Police Traffic ke East Khasi Hills Pak Mark Joel Marngar bat kiwei. Yakani ka jingya rally la penkut hi hakani ka sngi hamadan yoring have light umkra shlong.
Kajing temu jong kani ka long ban le persya bakhang persya ya kajing perangkam bakla yang Drok bat kajing khai BI bat ngangit scam bakani kam sulong tangga rongkong ne bat pendap yak program ndai gandon sia ka jing tu banrat dingkong nado tolong bangin I sia ka jing kala na son bang so pangmen bangin I kena ki badang Pulit anda kilama di Drok kila krni bat ki don kam malaksi anda ladan kam malaksi do kam sapisa poisya ka tu ka tim poisya siasat potop sa bindi mo se polis dan ka blak temak kita kayo kam yo jam ka pakadu basosi kadai ka kata sa sangka sangman namal ka jingpang ka bami no Drok ban na so ban I ba hakini po ban I ba ka jingjele ka jingsliu ha ka imnak salang namar baliu ka jingjele kini nong di Drok ban I ba ka jingsengan kam tencu ha ka imnak salang namar kini nong di Drok kile ki kam lai pujan tang bakinyo ban hit Drok tengai I bakam dan cuba jingsingan kajing sak prong tu kidukan kajing sak liat ki ying isem ban ki ciak kajing sak lote ki nguyak nyangwan ban nangit scam baka kani kasngi kalong sisya kajing teli kai kadau jing kini baro namar bangi yem dan cuk Khubor ban seneng ban kraw kun kiti habadan kami isu ai be pisa kajing duna jung kajing jung kibikpa kapalong ikon ki pasakma kapaar namar peni bakini kena manta sang banput pertubut yakni lifestyle jong di western countries ne ki ri sangi dei bro ki poi yeladi bangat ha apot bat poi se jingjot kapalai pan namar ba ni nyemdan gajing teli ka bakado pan ni dei ban don gajing trailang nadu kimi kpa nadu ki darmasnong nadu ki senghalang ki balang ka police department ba kasoka kumta ladangi trilang ni sei ka jingjok ha ka emlang salang jongi bat ni sala panrat dingkong yeu new Drok na ka dikecela jongi
liang jongi ke department ni dadap ke songo ipi ama ki seng bat kamtam police department ki bele ya simata kane ngi skam da ka jinta lang jongi baro ya kane ka jingsniu ngimla malek marwei kumbala akran mene ngi debrang jing teli gila berat kong ni kane te nakaliang jo ke department social welfare ni keluar bani telang bat pi baro bat ki seng balang bat ki rang ba chong ki ru bat kham tam ke police department baknam ngi la persa ye ke jingsni budan nak state jongi tangkini police board.
On this occasion we are really happy to see so many participants. We thought that maybe below 10 or 20, but then it's really encouraging to see all of you from Paidbah members and of course from our own department. As you all know, 26th June is an International Day against the drugs. All over the world they observe. So today what we are doing is, in collaboration with the Paidbah members, with the social welfare, we organize this rally, that is to fight against the drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Drug abuse is really bad in our state. The NDPS case is increasing every year, particularly in Shillong City. So alone, police alone, we can't eradicate totally. That is why we organize this rally, to spread the message that the evil of this drugs is really bad and hit us, especially the young and the youth who are unemployed. So the purpose of this rally is that to spread the message that to say no to the drugs. Drugs does not ruin only the drug user, but also it ruins the family members, the society, the neighbor, and particularly the parents. Drug users, they resort to theft, they resort to enter the houses of others to steal these, not just to afford themselves to buy drugs. And this definitely will affect the economy of the parents. Parents are really hit hard because perhaps those are using drugs, they keep on asking money from parents and so on. So this day, us is on our part, this is part of our campaign to say no to the drugs, to eradicate the menace of the drug in our state. So let us join hands together, not only police alone, as we said earlier, we cannot really eradicate totally. Only with the joint hand of all of you, all the publics, all the parents, and the friends of the Shillong City and others also, if we join hands together, I'm very sure we can reduce or eradicate the menace of these drugs. So as we go a rally from here up to Yarong, I'm very sure it will be meaningful and spread our message that no to the drugs. So once again, I thank all the Paidbah members, all the press who are here, Talang and all our officers who are here together. We are fighting for the same cause, though we are from the different department, but together with public, we'll keep on going, we'll fight to erase, to eradicate this, the menace with drugs. So let us say together, no to the drugs. Say no to the drugs. Okay, thank you.
Let me tell you, almost 70% of the theft cases in Meghalaya all committed by the drug user. 70% of the theft cases, housebreaking, are being committed by the drug user. So from theft to hire till murder also. So in this case, actually the drug user is, we can't say he's criminal. Actually he's a victim. Victim of what? Victim of the drugs. He's being tied by the drugs. He cannot let go, he cannot live without the drugs. So they need our help also. So let us all stand together, help them. If you know any of them, your friends, family members, neighbors, let us help them so that they will be able to overcome their weakness.
abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and the society as a whole. Not many know, but drug abuse and mental health go hand in hand. That is, addicted persons are not only putting their health at stake, but are also giving rise to severe mental issues. As a responsible citizen of the country, let us all join hands in fighting against this war on drugs. Dear friends, remember that drug has the power to take away all the good things we have in our lives and ultimately our life. Don't let that happen. Also, resorting to drugs is the biggest mistake you can make in your life. So let's have faith in ourselves and embrace life and not drugs to have a successful, blessed, and happy life ahead. Thank you. Regarding the dangerous effects of drug abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and the society as a whole. Not many know, but drug abuse and mental health go hand in hand. That is, addicted persons are not only putting their health at stake, but are also giving rise to severe mental issues and consequently may even cause death. The number of drug users in Shillong City is rising rapidly, and if we don't act now, then we can never do it in the future. As a responsible citizen of the country, let us all join hands in fighting against this war on drugs. Dear friends, remember that drug has the power to take away all the good things we have in our lives and ultimately our life. Don't let that happen. Also, resorting to drugs is the biggest mistake you can make in your life. So let's have faith in ourselves and embrace life and not drugs to have a successful, blessed, and happy life ahead. Thank you.
Last them there.
Regarding the dangerous effects of drug abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and the society as a whole.
As a series of awareness campaigns that will be culminating on 26th of this June. our police department is conducting various awareness programs. This is one of the program in the series. And today we choose this program, and this entire highway you have conducted rally despite the rain. And with police department, we would like to thank Tulba Bikers and their president and their secretary, and all the bikers, those who have come along the way despite the heavy rain. Our additional SP traffic, DYSP traffic, our SP Sir Sylvester. Currently, he is not here, but he start with the flag. He started the rally, and our particularly Mawlai and Limekar traffic. Those despite the rain, they conducted all the arrangement for a smooth flow of the traffic. And now all the media, despite the rain, they are here. We would like to thank all the media people also for covering this coverage of this program. And our message to all the public is that say no to drugs, and create awareness, and help those people who are already indulged in those activities, so that there are many rehabilitation centers in Shillong and all the across the Meghalaya, and whatever the counseling they needed, they should go to the respective department. They should help the police, and whatever the help needed, it will be provided by the district admission, police, social welfare department, and by all the concerned department. But spread the message that drugs are not only destroy the person, but entire family being destroyed. Okay, I will say all these few words, and the final message: say no to drugs.